Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. Silk beige MB Tex interior with a dark linden wood trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 27,129 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.